Born, I want to show story about nilai-nilai angka 5. I'm Ivana. I'm Aldrin.
I'm Bintang.
And I'm Ivana. Because so it can be a good example for the other people. It can be an example for other people. And so other people will follow what we do and apply nilai-nilai angka 5 in their own life. Applying nilai-nilai angka 5 in our life is very useful and important to make our life better and become a good Indonesian citizen. That's from us. Thank you very much.
Shalom friends and teachers, I will tell you about my daily life. On the 22nd day of the 4th month of the year 2024, Monday, I got early and put my bed away. After that, I got ready to go to school. After arriving at school, I entered the class and took part in the lesson. After the lesson was finished, the break bell rang. I went to rest. After returning, my friend not get my hand and my eyes spilled on my clothes. I cursed at him and he apologized. But I am guilty, walked and went to the class. When I get home, I eat and serve the house, wash the dishes and water the flowers. And finally, my parents came home from their work. On that day, I never play any games. And after that, we as a family pray and sleep. From that day, we learned that when we are guilty, we have to apologize. And when people apologize to us, we have to accept their apology and any difficulty. We have to practice prayer. And the conclusions with that everyone who is bad must also be good, and everyone who is wrong must also be right because one is right in everything.
Tell you what I did on Tuesday 23 April 2024. When I went to school, I didn't come late to school that morning. It took pretty fast to get there with my father's car. And at that morning, the road was quite clear and quiet. But at physics time, I didn't finish the task that Miss Winda was told us to do, and I was ran out of time to finish it. Instead of trying to finish it with the remaining time, I was playing around and not focus on the task that Miss Winda was told us to do. And I didn't finish it in time. It makes me feel not responsible for myself, and I feel embarrassed because I didn't finish my task in time. I learned that if I don't finish something in time, it will make your progress slowing down. It was really annoying to myself because the task was difficult to do. That's all from me. Thank you.
Evaluation and appointment of Velush 45. On Friday, April 26, 2024, I went to school but I woke up late and was not disciplined with my bedtime and wake up time. And that day I was going to do an exam and I did it honestly. I really regret that I chose to play on my cell phone until late at night, so I woke up late the next day. The result of waking up late was that I was tired from running to school, and on that day I was going to do the social science exam and I did it honestly, even touch I was still remedial. Maybe because I didn't study enough, so I was remedial. From this incident, I will organize my sleep time and I will study harder so that I get good grades.
On Saturday, 26 April 2024, in my house at 6 am, I woke up from my sleep and I see the rice was not cooked, and I did not see hot water. And I with my invited, I cook the rice, and then after I cook the rice, I make the hot water. After I do that, I connected my sleep. And then I woke up again. I see so many drift plate picked up. and my present told me to wash the plate, but I don't do what my present told. This thing make me not being a good example for my young brother. From that all happiness on this day. So I can make conclusion as a child we present thought for do that positive things. From the second story I get the kite we must listening for present and what our present thought.
On Sunday, 28 April 2024, I woke up at 8 a.m. I woke up late because I stayed up late because I played and watched TikTok and Netflix. I got ready so slow because I thought only me and my sis will go to church. Because of those, we were late. We arrived at church at 9:20 a.m. I almost didn't go to church because late. Then me and my sister went to Sunday school. We thought that the Sunday school already started, but it wasn't. From church, we went to my grandma's house. In the afternoon, I decorated my trifold board. The trifold board was for my summative assessment about Alor. I did my homework step by step by decorating my trifold board. From this story, we can learn that we shouldn't waste time. We should use the time wisely. To get a best result, we should work hard. We have to work seriously and focus on our homework.
Nah, jadi teman-teman, setelah menonton video ini, kita menjadi tahu bahwa nilai-nilai 45 itu sangatlah penting dalam kehidupan kita. Nah, jadi kita itu harus menerapkan nilai-nilai 45 dalam kehidupan kita. Karena nilai-nilai 45 itu sebagai identitas bangsa dan juga sebagai identitas kita sebagai masyarakat Indonesia.
Dari menerapkan nilai-nilai 45, kita bisa menjadi contoh bagi sesama kita agar orang lain juga bisa menerapkan nilai-nilai 45 dalam kehidupan mereka.
Menerapkan nilai-nilai Pancasila juga menguntungkan bagi diri kita sendiri. Contohnya seperti jujur. Jika kita jujur terhadap orang lain, maka orang lain dapat mempercayai kita. Contoh lainnya adalah nilai bertanggung jawab, membuat kita dapat menyelesaikan masalah dengan cepat dan baik. Dan nilai-nilai kedisiplinan yang dapat membuat kita lebih teratur.
Saya teman-teman, kita terapkan nilai 45 agar menjadi pemuda-pemudi Indonesia yang berbakti dan berguna bagi bangsa.